Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how do we debug JavaScript code. JavaScript code को हम लोग debug कैसे कर सकते हैं? Debugging JavaScript code involves several techniques and tools to identify and fix issue. Here, brief overview along with example. Common technique for debugging JavaScript using console.log statement. We can uh, insert console.log in statement and where in the code and debug the code, like insert console.log statement uh, in the code to print variable value or message at different points. This help tracks the follow of execution and identify where things go wrong. Second thing, use breaking point and debugger. Most modern browsers have built-in developer tools, example Chrome DevTools, that allow we to set breakpoints in the code. When the code execution hits a breakpoint, it pauses, allowing me to inspect variables, step through code, and analyze the state of the application. Error message and stack traces. Pay attention to error message in the console. They often include a stack trace that shows the sequence of function calls leading to the error, which can help pinpoint the source of the problem. Using a debugger statement, insert the debugger statement in the code. When the browser encounters this statement, it will pause execution if the developer tools are open. Fifth, linting and static analysis tools. Use tools like ESLint to catch potential error and enforce coding standard before running the code. Example. Let's understand with example. Consider a simple example of function not working as expected. JavaScript code function A, and we are just here a plus b and storing the value here result. Let x equal to 5, let y equal to 10. This is a string, not a number. And let sum console.log sum. Debugging with console.log, add console.log statement to check the value of a and b inside the add function. Here a output a, console b output 10. Let result a and b, result will be 510. Open the browser. Open the browser. Debugging with breakpoint. This is the first step. This is the first fundamental. We can use console and log for debugging the JavaScript. This is an example for that. Secondly, debugging with breakpoint. Open the browser, developer tools, F12, right click, inspect. Go to the source tab, find open the JavaScript file, click on the line number where we want to set breakpoint. Example, the line with let result equal to a plus b. Refresh the page and run the code again. The execution will pause at the breakpoint. Inspect the value a, comma b and result in the scope or watch section. This is the second thing. And third, using debugger statement. Insert the debugger statement where we want to pause the execution. Function add a minus b debugger. Let result a plus b result. Here we are adding the debugger statement. There our code will be paused for some time. This is the third things we can use as a debugger in our code. When we run the code with the debugger tools open, it will pause at the debugger statement, allowing we inspect the value. Summary: If we summarize all the things, console.log, quick and easy way to check value. Breakpoint, powerful for inspecting the statement of the application. Error message, helpful for understanding where and why an error occurred. Debugger statement, manually pause execution at a specific point. Linting tools, prevent common error and enforce best practice. Using this technique, we can systematically identify and resolve issue in the JavaScript code. This is all about the how we debug JavaScript code. In next video, we will learn about what is the difference between synchronous and an asynchronous code. So please uh, uh, keep it. We will learn about the synchronous and asynchronous. Stay in touch. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.